Mega Investment Group was founded in 2015 because of its unique investment philosophy and the team's senior investment experience. It has become one of the subsidiaries of the Blackstone Group, the world's largest independent alternative asset management company. Mega Investment Group has investors in more than 60 countries around the world, has created more than 300 investment exchange groups, and has a team of more than 200 professional market analysts who analyze market trends 24 hours a day, with more than 1,600 days of accurate predictions of trading directions. This record is refreshed every day. Mega Investment Group leads a professional team to carry out win-win projects with major platforms, uses a unique team operation model to perfectly combine investment and teamwork, and helps millions of people get out of poverty. 2139 Exchange Ltd was founded in April 2022 by Thomas Yanis, a former Airbnb engineer. It has successfully obtained the US MSB Money Services Business license, the EUEMI Electronic Money Institution, and API Authorized Payment Institution licenses, the Monetary Authority of Singapore MAS and Dubai licenses, and business licenses from more than 30 countries and regions around the world, including the FSA and the Central Bank of the Bahamas. On February 18, 2023, it successfully created a trading volume of $109,066,683.54 within 24 hours that day, achieving a daily trading volume of over 100 million. And on February 26, 2023, it ranked among the top 100 exchanges in the world. Mega Investment Group is perfectly realized with the support of Blackstone Group. It incubates excellent feasible projects and allows everyone to participate in independent investment choices and practice value.